Why are indicator species important for bird conservation efforts? Imagine walking through a forest and noticing a few birds acting strangely or disappearing altogether. These birds might be telling us something important about their environment. That's where indicator species come into play. They are special birds that help us understand the health of ecosystems. When these birds thrive, it usually means the habitat is in good shape. If they decline or vanish, it signals that something might be wrong. Many birds have specific needs for their homes. For example, some woodpecker species requiring old pine trees with particular features to nest. If those trees are cut down or damaged, the woodpecker's numbers drop. That decline shows us the forest's condition. When these birds decrease, it often means the entire habitat is suffering, which could threaten other species too. So, they act as early warning signs for habitat degradation. In conservation efforts, tracking the numbers of these indicator birds helps us see if restoration projects are working. For instance, if wetland birds like herons and egrets start returning in larger numbers, it shows water quality and habitat conditions are improving. This feedback allows conservationists to fine-tune their actions, making sure habitats support a wide range of bird species, including those on threatened species lists. Migratory birds also serve as indicators because they face challenges during their long journeys. If they are not arriving at their usual stopover sites, it suggests problems in those regions. Protecting these key areas during migration helps ensure the survival of many bird species. Seabirds are another example. They are sensitive to changes in ocean health, like fish populations and pollution levels. When seabird numbers decline or their feeding habits change, it signals shifts in marine ecosystems. Monitoring these birds helps scientists understand broader environmental issues and guide marine conservation policies. Overall, indicator species are vital because they show us how well ecosystems are functioning. They help identify environmental threats early, so we can act before more damage occurs. Tracking these birds provides measurable data that guides conservation efforts, making sure habitats stay healthy and diverse. Protecting these species and their homes benefits all birds, especially those at risk, and keeps ecosystems balanced and thriving.